Good morning, Mr. Mehta. Morning, Tushar. Going to office? Yes, sir. Running a bit late actually. Your balcony plant is growing nicely. Thank you. I water it more than myself. I saw some kids ringing your bell and running. Yes, my new fan club. Let me know if they trouble you again. Thanks, sir. Very kind of you. No problem. We neighbors must look out for each other. By the way, the lift was stuck yesterday evening. Yes, I had to climb 6 floors. The building committee is planning a repair. That's good news. My legs need a break. Come over sometime for tea. I'd love that. Your samosas are famous. Just bring some jokes. My evenings are boring. You got it, son. I'll bring laughter and snacks. Good lad. See you soon. Take care, sir. Have a great day. Hello, Bhaiya. Is that my package? Yes, sir. From Flipkart. Please sign here. Thanks. I've been waiting all day. Heavy box, sir. What's inside? A new coffee machine. My old one died. Nice. Even I want one. You will need it during festival season. So many parcels. True, my legs are already tired. Want a glass of water? That would be great, sir. Thank you. By the way, your flat is hard to find. Yes, even Google Maps gives up. You should add a direction note in the app. Good idea. I'll do it next time. Some people don't even pick up calls. That's rude. You guys do hard work. We just hope for patience and water. Next time, I'll give you coffee too. I'll mark this address as my favorite. Safe travels, Bhaiya. Take care. Bro, let's order something. I'm too tired to cook. Same here. What are you craving? Chinese or biryani? Biryani? Always biryani? Swiggy or Zomato? Check both. Compare prices like a smart shopper. Found a rupees 150 off coupon. You are a real MVP. Should I add dessert too? Add gulab jamun. Life is short. 32 minutes delivery time. That's faster than my last relationship. Ha! Don't let Swiggy show that in reviews. I'm tracking the rider. He's taking a shortcut. Hope he doesn't eat one biryani on the way. If he does, we riot. Doorbell. I'll grab it. Wait, check for cutlery. They forget it sometimes. All good. Full package. Food plus AC plus Netflix. Perfect night. Deepak, do we need potatoes? Yes. We are down to two sad looking ones. What about onions? Always buy onions. They disappear magically. Should we take the big family pack of rice? Unless you plan to open a restaurant. No. Ha. Okay. Regular 5 kg it is. Don't forget the biscuits. My 4 p.m. hunger is real. Done. Want to grab that instant coffee? Please. I can't survive Monday without it. Bro, why are you buying chocolate sauce? Don't judge me. Late night dessert is self love. Then I want ice cream too. Team effort. Great. Now this card looks like we are 12 years old. We are, just with beards. Look at the bill. Rupees 1890 already. Let's remove one fancy shampoo. We are not celebrities. Agreed. Back to basic soap life. Okay, let's pay and call an auto. Or we carry it home and burn some calories. Salam Faisal bhai. Busy today? Not much, sir. Sit. Usual haircut? Let's try something new. Maybe a fade? Wow. Movie star look cunning. Just don't make me look like a pineapple. Trust my hands, Nikhil bhai. Your hands are legendary. Even my dad comes here. He told me you need marriage ready hair now. Pressure is building from all sides. Don't worry, my scissors will help. Beard trim also. Yes, make me look fresh. You will break hearts today. You need one heart, not many. Shampoo also. Go for it. It's self care Sunday. Done. Look in the mirror. Wow, I might just fall for myself. Send wedding card, okay? Only if you promise free haircuts forever. Varun, whose socks are these? They smell dangerous. Must be yours. I wear fancy ones. Bro, laundry machine is full again. We should do laundry every 3 days. Or buy more clothes and avoid this drama? Smart. But our budget cries. I'll wash, you hang them. Deal? Deal. But no mixing white with jeans. I learned that lesson the hard way. Pink underwear wasn't your best look. Why does your t-shirt smell like perfume? That's fabric softener, fancy, right? Smells like heartbreak. At least my shirts don't fade. Can we buy a drying rack next month? Only if we stop eating outside. Tough trade. Done. Let's dry these fast. Rain is coming. I hate wet jeans. Same. Feels like cold armor. Bro, I'm starving. Do we have anything to cook? I think there's Maggie and 2 eggs left. That's it. No onions, no masala. I saw a tomato in the fridge, half dead but usable. Okay, I'll make spicy tomato egg Maggie. That's not a real dish, man. When you are hungry, anything is real. Fair point. Need help chopping the tomato? No thanks. Just pray it doesn't explode in the pan. If it does, we'll call it tomato surprise. Do we have tea or coffee? Only instant coffee. Milk is also almost over. This flat runs like our bank accounts, always low. Exactly. We need to do proper grocery shopping soon. Let's make a list while eating. Agreed. By the way, this Maggie smells amazing. You should start a YouTube cooking channel, Midnight Maggie Magic. Not a bad idea. Cooking with broke bachelors. Don't forget to add emotional stories before the recipe. Ha! My grandmother once made Maggie like this, in a dream. Manish, when was the last time we cleaned this place? I think dinosaurs are still roamed when we last did. Gross. The kitchen smells like a science experiment. I found socks in the sofa, not mine. Let's divide the work. You do the hall, I'll do the bathroom. That's unfair. The bathroom is a war zone. Exactly. I'm brave. You owe me tea later. Deal. But I'm not touching that scary corner. We should start a cleaning vlog. Dirt diaries. With our luck, it'll go viral. Look, I found my old watch under the bed. That's a fossil now. So much dust. Even the vacuum ran away. Did you just mop with shampoo? It smells better than phenyl. Remind me to never trust you with cleaning again. I clean with style. You clean with chaos. Okay, done. Let's take before and after pics. No one will believe this transformation. Hello, is this Ramesh Bhaiya? Yes, speaking. What's the issue? The bathroom tap is leaking like crazy. How long has it been leaking? 3 days. I tried YouTube. I failed. Huh. Always happens. I'll come at 5 p.m. Please bring that giant wrench of yours. Don't worry, beta. I'll fix it in 15 minutes. And the kitchen sink is acting weird too. Looks like your house missed me. I've tightened the tap. Check it now. Wow, no more drips. You're a magician. Just an old plumber with experience. How much do I owe you? Piece 250 plus 1 cup of chai. Done. Chai coming right up. Call me anytime. I fix leaks. I hear gossip. Ha! I'll keep both ready. Don't wait 3 days next time. Lesson learned. You are now my speed dial hero.